Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to fix my caterpillar eyebrows. I know a couple of you were commenting on my eyebrows, and I know who you are. It's not a big deal. I've had big eyebrows my whole life. But anyway, I just got back from the shop. I am talking a little bit quieter tonight. It's pushing midnight and all the family's in bed, and I definitely don't want to wake them up. But as soon as I got home, I wanted to make a video for this giveaway and just show you one of the vehicles that we detailed this week. There's a lot going on. We have a lot of nice vehicles in the shop, and I'm shooting a lot of videos, so look out for some great content. I'm still kind of gauging what you guys kind of like. If you like more cinematic detailing with like not a lot of talking, because I'm not the greatest at talking. Hopefully I'll get a little bit better as I get used to being in front of the camera. But anyway, comment below if you like the cinematic detailing videos, and maybe I should kind of show a story of the detailing process with music, maybe some words in the thing describing what we're doing, or if you'd rather like tutorial based. And I think we'll probably do a little bit of both. Either way, we'll do some cinematic detailing videos as well as tutorials. But your feedback, you guys are the viewers, so your feedback means everything to us. But anyway, I also wanted to do this giveaway. We did randomly pick a winner for this, and the winner, we went through the whole subscriber list, added it all into the computer. It was like we did it yesterday. It was just over like 5,800 subscribers, or 6,000 subscribers. There was a ton of subscribers to enter in, and then we randomly picked a winner. I'm not going to do it that way again because it took forever. I think on the next one we're going to do like comment on the video or something like that. But we're definitely going to do more giveaways. I've been pricing out some merchandise. We need to get some t-shirts, some hats. We've had all that already, but it was just for our customers, our local customers and our employees and stuff. So I want to get some nice merchandise, nice high quality merchandise, and then also double down on some of the detailing supplies that we order, and do random giveaways on that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. This isn't going to be the only giveaway. It's a good one, I'm not going to lie, but we'll have a lot of other giveaways in the future. And we also want to produce as much content as we can. We are super busy, but I hope to at least post once a week. I'm going to try for every Wednesday. Sometimes it might be a day sooner, sometimes it might be a day later. It's really hard to tell. But anyway, the winner for this giveaway is AJ Mead, and I think I said his last name right, AJ Mead, and I'll post a picture of his YouTube channel here. I did message you, AJ, I believe yesterday, or yesterday sometime. So make sure you either respond back on the YouTube Messenger or contact me on our Instagram or Facebook page. You can find us on there. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Congratulations to AJ for winning all the detailing supplies. For some reason, if I can't get a hold of AJ, or if he doesn't respond back to the messages, I'll let you guys know, and we'll pick another winner for the same giveaway we just did. This is our first giveaway, so please bear with us. But I want to make sure he gets first dibs on it at least. And yeah, in the next video we're just gonna do like comments or hashtags or something, not off the subscribers, because it took like days to enter all the subscribers in. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this short video. It's just an interior detail. Stay tuned. We got some cool cars in the shop, and we'll catch you guys later.